Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2016 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. The color is silver metallic with black leather interior. It's equipped with optional 19-inch wheels, recently new tires. Has a factory warranty until it's a certified pre-owned warranty through Lincoln, and it's good till June of 2022. Body's in beautiful condition. Wheels look great. This has keyless locking and unlocking. Just touch the button and it locks, and grab the handle, it unlocks. Has heated and cooled seats in the front, and the rear seats are heated as well. Just push the button and it's on. Has factory navigation. Backup camera. Real nice plush interior, lots of room in the back seat. Folding side mirrors. Just push the button and it's off. Great fuel economy, 40 miles per gallon. Let's look at the back seat. It has power trunk. And just push the button to close it. Very nice styling. Drives excellent. And as I mentioned, it has a certified warranty for another year. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call and check out the description on our website. Tells you all about all the features on this vehicle. Thank you.